Yo, what's going on? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. And we are actually going to be going live right now doing some auto body Q&A because we missed it on Thursday night, 8 p.m. Central. Had some family things to do and I couldn't make it, but we'll do it right now. For all you VIPs on the line, please say what's up because I got some news for you. And if you haven't heard yet, I will tell you what it is in just a bit.
He says badminton?
No.
Huh?
Ping pong.
Oh, he says VIP.
Yeah, so what's up, VIP? What's up?
Ping pong?
Ping pong. We're playing
Yeah.
ping pong. Let's show them some ping pong. Go ahead,
Okay.
quick. Well, we need a better,
What, video?
we need a better area. All right, let's put it right here. All right, we're gonna do some Q&A in just a bit, but we're gonna show some ping pong action. Right here. Ping pong action.
Can I start?
Anyway, hold on. Let me do some quick Q&A with these guys. Yo, what's up, guys? Okay, so if you guys have been following over the past week or so, you saw me Dallas to New Mexico, right? And I actually went to Gene Winfield's custom body shop in the Mojave Desert. And it was a 2-day live event, metal shaping workshop that I went to. And I was able to actually record a bunch of things in there for you. I got 3 hours of step-by-step content. How many VIPs in here actually, I sent out an email maybe 5 hours ago, 7 hours ago, earlier today, telling you about the content. So there's a special page where you're going to basically log in to click the link in the email that I sent you. Did you guys get that? Just want to confirm that you VIPs got the email. And then it's a special, like a blog page, a membership page, protected membership page with all the videos. Okay, awesome. Just want to make sure you got that because it was tons of footage. I just wanted to get it up there and up. A lot of it was raw, unedited. I just slapped together all the videos and wanted to put the content. So just, go through the videos. There's a lot of golden nuggets, man, in there that Gene talked about. I showed you the compound where he's at, 5 acres in the middle of nowhere, huh? Welding and butt welding and gas welding and all kinds of stuff in there for you. So I hope you enjoy that content. I'm going to be leaking some of the footage on YouTube within the next few days this week. But the majority of it is in there for VIPs. So that'll be awesome.
I'm not a VIP, but I got all your videos. Did not get.
Okay, great. So, okay, well, double check your email. I'll be sending the link again tomorrow to make sure that you guys get it. Maya, what are you doing?
Huh? Just looking at the Lamborghini.
Oh, okay. So the other news is I recently scored a 67 Chevelle. I talked to you about this about 2 weeks ago. We were in negotiation. Finally, the older lady and husband, they were like in need to get rid of the car here in Texas. And I scored a 67 Chevelle, original interior, original paint, original engine, has a 283 Chevy in it, original. Column shift, the Power Glide transmission. You're not gonna believe how much I got it for, but before I share the price, 67 Chevelle Malibu. Before I share the price with you, I am going to get the car first. So I'm actually going to get it delivered probably Wednesday or Thursday, as soon as my wire clears. And then the possibilities with this thing are endless. Either I do a complete paint job here at LABAP and resell it, or just paint it and use it and keep it and let it add value. So it's going to be a super, super cool car. You guys are going to like it. Butternut yellow with a black vinyl top and black interior. Oh my God, the car is nice. It needs paint though. Most of the paint looks okay, but there's like some areas on the trunk, the front fender, the hood has a little bit of surface rust. No whole rust, but a little bit of surfaced. But I will show you the car as soon as I get it this week. I should be getting it, well, Monday, tomorrow. I send the wire and take 2 days to clear, and then I get the car. I'll be getting the car this week, so I'll go live once I get the car, show you the vehicle. It's unbelievable. It's one of my dream cars. Besides the 67 Camaro, besides the first 67 Camaro that I had, the 67 Chevelle is one of my favorite cars. So I don't think I'm gonna sell it. We're just gonna cruise with that sucker, man. Anyway, other than that, we're just kind of playing some ping pong here, hanging out in the garage here. Anyway, so we got a lot of things planned. So we're gonna have the 67 Chevelle project, number one. That's kind of later on the list. We're gonna be finishing up this thing. The past couple of weeks, I told you I've been busy, I've been running around a lot. So we're gonna be doing the motorcycle tank project. We're going to be doing this tank project, this tank project. We're gonna be painting pieces of the little Miata down here.
The red one.
The red Miata down there. Just to show you some color differences. We got a whole bunch of candies that we're gonna be playing with. I told you we ordered a whole bunch of candy colors. We got organic green.
That sounds amazing. I mean, organic green.
Organic green. We got, what is this? Tangerine candy.
Ooh, tangerine. Sounds cheap.
Yeah, I wouldn't let her paint the tanks.
What?
It's chemicals. I don't want you to be around any of the chemicals. We got lime gold candy. Okay. We got oriental blue candy.
Oriental. What's this one?
We got, look on the side here.
Oh, side. Oh, purple.
We got Burple candy. Oh my God, Burple is awesome.
It sounds like teal.
And we got teal candy, and we also have a candy apple red.
Where's that?
I think it's in here.
Candy apple. That just sounds yummy.
We got candy apple red. Where did I put it? Right here. Oh, it's actually brandy wine. I thought it was candy apple, but it's brandy wine.
Oh, that's
Brandy
nice.
wine. Well, brandy wine is beautiful as well.
That sounds
So we have all these candies to play with here.
Can
Literally
we check out
almost
the color?
$600, probably around $600 in candy. Just this. Can you believe it? One of these are like 50 to 80 bucks.
Ooh. Hey, Dad, can you open the thing so then we can see the colors? Just to look at it?
Yeah, later on the next video. Next
Okay.
video. So yeah, we got a lot of things. So any quick Q&A quickly before I head out? I just wanted to say hi. I know I left you guys kind of hanging on Thursday. I seen a video of kids painting with super heavy respiration. Well, watch those kids. Don't watch my kid. You should start a Q&A with ping pong. It's like waiting for test drive on PS2 to load. All right, let's do ping pong live. Come on.
Hold on, let me close this up.
So if we have any Q&A quickly, I'll be more than happy to answer your questions right now. If not, no big deal. I didn't send a email notification to people. So yeah. How do you control overspray in your shot? Well, what I could do is actually put a fan right in this window here, right in there, right, and close my garage door. Or put a fan in that window. That's the window I would do it. But I just close my garage and I have a couple of box fans down below and I just blow it out. It's not a huge deal. Hey Tony, I have my first metal flake with your videos. I've done my first metal flake. I want to re-clear my bumper. I shot base and clear on it last summer. What are the steps to re-clear it? I would sand it with, just scuff it down with 800 grit and then you're good to clear coat over. Just don't cut through to the base coat. Just scuff it down with 800 grit and you're pretty much good to go. What's the mixing ratio on those Hausa color candy? You know, it's been a while since I sprayed. It should tell me on here. Usually it's like 2 to 1. I don't see it on here right now. I'm gonna have to find out and look for the paper. Yeah, I don't know at this moment in time. I have to double check. So I will let you know when I'm ready to spray it. Look at all these bubbles. So what else? What else, guys? What else?
It works because of the fan. Very good. Oh, right.
We're playing it up.
Yeah. I was waiting.
Yeah, I haven't sold this yet. So I'm thinking, I don't know. You know, I'll just hang on to it. It really doesn't faze me. I just relisted it on eBay, actually.
Dad, why not? I got the ball. Can I hold the camera so then we can...
Oh, you're gonna hold the camera? All right. We got any other Q&A, guys? Any other Q&A? Oh, we're also gonna be doing the custom hood on here. We're gonna be putting a scoop on this thing this summer. Have you ever re-cleared motorcycle fairings with stripes to bring back the shine with stripes? Yeah, why not? If you're gonna re-clear something, just sand it down with 800 grit wet sand and re-clear it. Once you do that, you could actually do some graphics on that if you want to, and then clear coat on top of it. I have my first metal flake done from your videos. Awesome. What spray gun would you recommend for a beginner and to do it all in primer base clear coat? I like the sorry, I was reading a text message that I got. Check out the Atom X20 spray gun at Zula.com. Fantastic gun. I have one in my cabinet right now. Hope I get rest. I don't need to rest. This gun right here is an awesome spray gun. Right here, Atom X20. Oh, you guys didn't even see my garage door. Did you guys see my completed garage door? Oh, these things are coming out next month, guys. The Atom X27 Pro. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Actually doing the door now in a steel. So that's gonna be pretty cool. But check out the detail on this life-size Lambo. And then we got the motorcycle, the life-size motorcycle, and the hashtag Boss Painter. Well, I think the Atom guns are fantastic. They're all I use right now to spray with. Super high quality, and they work fantastic. So I'll be doing all my demos on these guns. I used to promote the Warwicks. I don't like them too much anymore. They've been giving us issues. I actually got an email today from a customer who bought a Warwick a year ago, and he's like super upset. I'm like, why are you contacting me now a year later? You know, you should have let us know earlier that you were having issues with the spray gun. And that's the Warwick. He actually just contacted me today. You know, so I don't know, you know. We just promote spray guns that we like, and that company just started going downhill. I don't know, you know? So we stopped promoting them. Give me.
Here, Dad.
Yep.
Here, can I put it over there? Hello. Okay, just reading. Okay, love to read. Okay, blue Lambo. No, it's orange.
We got a blue Lambo in the garage, and then a real,
Oh,
and an orange
that
Lambo
blue
here.
one he meant. Okay.
Wait till you see the Chevelle.
Boss painter. Show them the boss painter. Boss
Huh?
painter.
Oh, boss painter.
Here's the boss painter.
So I painted this actually. She gave me the color idea.
I'm good with colors.
So, ready?
Yeah, ready. Let's go play some ping pong. I'll start again. With points.
It's getting hot.
I know.
God.
We can't do this today. There we go. Had some issues there. That was a good save I did.
Whoa.
Whoopsie daisies.
Anyway, let's go see what Mom's doing.
Okay.
All right, guys. I will see you later Thursday night, 8 p.m. Central, and I will make sure to do a live once I get that Chevelle as well. It's gonna be really, really cool. Hit the like button before you leave, and I will see you guys later. Peace out. Cheers.
We did that at the same time. Bye.
Bye.
What?
Thanks,
What did you
guys.
say? Oh, bye.